You're just
All three chicken and turkey.
Let me touch it, huh? Come here, let me touch it.
Good morning, Philippines! You're happy to see me at least. You're happy to see me. You're happy to see me. You're not happy to see me.
Come over here. Come here.
Get her, Rob. Get her. Get her.
Hey,
Get her. Go get her. You do it. Get her. Rox, get your mama. Get your mama. Go get your mama. That's it. That's a good girl. Good girl.
Do you have coronavirus?
Never know.
Who knows? Tommy?
I got your water.
That's...
You never think about it.
Ang tigas ng ulo, guys. Yun siya. Tigas. Look, he's buying more of this. Alam nyo, alam nyo yung kapatid ni Tommy, may sinabi tungkol about him. Basta may sinabi siya. Di ba yung mga problema ngayon, may mga disorder, mga ganyan. Parang may something si Tommy. Hindi naman malala, hindi naman yung pero naobserbahan kasi din nila na may something siya. Iwan ko. Basta hindi man yun sobrang pangit. Pero parang hindi lang na-diagnose yung... Han, you have a problem.
What's that?
It's disorder of...
That's it.
What? You're like... You cannot live your life if you cannot spend money.
I gotta think of these little guys too.
Look at this.
I know.
You just got this the other
I know, but I
day.
gotta have something to take home because the only...
You're not allowed to eat this.
Yes, the turkey. It's the only kind of sandwich I can have, apparently. And just for you. You.
Oh, God.
Tuna with
Okay,
water, not oil.
I don't even freaking eat lunch because I wait for you.
Oh, I got chicken.
I need to buy or give that to somebody.
Why? You won't eat it?
You won't even eat it.
I won't eat it.
I don't want you to. This is very salty. I defrost the other one. Okay, can you take the chicken or the rice out there because I need to eat. I don't want to argue with you. I'm hungry. You keep arguing with me.
Is it that? Is it the chicken, the rice?
The rice.
Wait, the chicken first.
God.
Play it back. Play it back.
I know, Tommy. You're right. Oh my goodness. Did you bring the Dayquil?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Sorry. I can go back out.
I'm going there over there Saturday. I need to bring food, cook you something, vegetables important. You know why I called you?
No, why?
I want you to buy grapes, but I heard you're already in the line, so I was thinking like, what are you gonna eat? There is vegetables over there from the other day. You want it? Huh?
No, it's too bad.
I'm gonna have menstruation, hon. Hon?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm having it, hon. I have a... Dimple's watching Tommy. What are you doing to him? Teasing her. Honey, you're crazy. Pasensya nyo guys ha, pabalik-balik yung sa damit ni Tommy, pero palagi man niyang laba. Palagi ko yung nilalabhan. So, today is a waxing his butt. Today is waxing butt time. Hala.
This is the last coffee pot in here? Seriously?
Sorry.
What, little man?
Sorry, baby. No more coffee, ha? Take everything out there before you, Today is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. That's a song, and I don't forget that. Well, oh well. So this time, guys, I'm going to take this out, the grill, that I can start cooking, because the same thing what we did the other day, na lulutuin namin yung Hala, oy, Tommy, right?
I need a second hand to lift it over a little lip.
All you have to do is call and ask. Don't be aggravated without even asking, okay? That's the thing about this family, guys. Never ask help. But if you don't help them, they get mad.
And the thing about people just stare and watch.
No, I'm doing something. This is the problem. He got it from his mother. Alright, Han, you know I have a fucking headache. No, don't do that to me. I have a headache. and I just realized also he told.
Not as.
Well, when people doesn't know what you're just no, when people doesn't know what you're doing, if I don't know what you're doing, that you need help, what? I'm just gonna always be there with you like, oh, you need help?
No,
oh,
you stare at me and put your camera at me.
No, I'm doing something under here and trying to get the thing. And also, I try to put back the, ay nako. So, people are not going to help if you don't ask, if they don't realize what, if you need, you know, if people...
The guy, she asked me a week ago if we had coffee here. Yes, it's up there. And here I come and then don't coffee here.
Okay, I forgot to get it over there, to be piled up over there. Look at that. I remember. Oh, I need to cut my jeans or my pajama. Okay, so, you know, she was fine. She can do it. But she get upset that it's like, I don't do it because she expect me to do it. I remember she expect me to do it because I've been cutting my jeans.
Everybody. She keeps saying it until somebody offers and does it.
Yeah, but...
She don't want to ask because it'll be like, this way she says, oh, I would have done that. But this way she feels like she would have done it. That's just the way she did this.
And you get it from you.
Right.
You get it from her.
That's right. I didn't ask for it, I just did it.
Oh, I need a hand over here and you would help me. You just said that.
I need to use both my hands. I'm holding, I'm balancing this thing in one hand and I can't get this over the lip.
Well, if you know your wife always offer, okay? If I always help, I always help him. Every time he do something.
Must be my other wife. Oops.
You know what, hon?
You know what?
No. You have another wife?
My wife always offer. 0, 0, 16. I can't put this on the video, right?
What? Well, you have to put it back again over there. Push everything out. Yeah, look at that, guys. We're not even fully living here. He's not even living here yet. Look, it's full. So once we're here, we cannot sleep in our bed.
Right, it's full because I fill it up. Otherwise, it'd be empty.
That's the thing, guys.
My wife says I feel like rice ice cream out by enough rice for today.
Guys, can I just tell you something? Every time I clean in the other house, what happened was I make a spot for cleaning, the clean area now that we have space to clean up, to cook, to do, because it's clean. Mom and Tommy's always put something over there because it's clean. Like, oh, there is a spot I can put more junk. And that's what they do, guys. That's what you know, nakikita niyong bahay doon. Junky everywhere. Because I clean every time, everywhere. They have to find something. They have to order something online that they can put that spot. Look at this. Han, it's still early, baby. Still early, huy. Pagluluto lang ako, guys, kasi itong asawa ko is sobrang pain in the neck. Luto tayo. Still early, huy. Anyway, so yun. I just realized that he has another wife. Thank goodness he told me. Is this for this? There's two in here. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one then. Hi guys. Fast forward tayo dito, guys. Luto lang ako ng chicken. Nanonood ako ni Milay. I think I need to, can you give me whatever you want to put here? Huh?
other one.
I'll do it, hon. Just give me the thing. Get up.
He wants to see.
No, man.
Nah, parsley. We have a little parsley here.
You have parsley.
You know what that is?
You bought it.
I bought this?
Yeah. It's a basil.
Oh, is it? Oh.
They're buzz, hub. That's it, hon. That's it, hon.
Not done yet.
I put that spice already. What is that?
Cajun.
That's a seafood.
Cajun.
Yeah, it's a Cajun seafood seasoning.
Oh, you keep saying that.
Yes, it's for spicy. Don't do too much. It's seafood. It's spicy seafood.
It's not for only seafood.
Yes.
Oh, again with the yes. Yeah, maybe I'm going to teach you how to read it later.
Did you see the picture?
Oh, while you read pictures, I got it. Turn up the heat on any shellfish, gumbo, jambalaya, ideal with sausage, poultry, and beef. With sausage, poultry, and beef. Poultry is chicken, turkey.
Let me touch it, huh? Let me come here, let me touch it. I want to touch the
Picture.
Sophie.
The picture. What's that picture?
Not too much, hon. This is what it kills you. There's no salt, but this freaking seasoning that you all put, it's killer,
Oh,
hon.
flavor.
It's killer.
Flavor. Okay, time to go then.
No. The top one, it's done. Everything is done. Don't over
I
season.
do both sides.
No, it's done, Tommy. Please. I did it season already.
I've
Everything.
been cooking forever.
But that's enough.
No, it's not. You love the way I taste when I cook because what? Because I do it. Now you want to change how I cook.
Come, please.
And
It's
then you say,
already.
oh, it
No,
don't-
it doesn't.
It don't taste good, right? Okay.
It doesn't taste. It doesn't look a lot. But my God, I cover it down because it's soaking and.
Yeah, when you put parsley and paprika.
No, I put everything I can see over there.
I don't know why you put paprika on it. It's not chili powder. That's paprika.
No, it's not.
That's
The
paprika.
chili.
Show me your chili. Then.
Yeah, paprika chili.
Paprika is not chili powder.
It's a chili thing. Look at the picture.
Oh, the picture. Again with the picture.
Show me.
I'm not following you in there.
It's still early, bag. Good boy.
Give me turkey when I got here.
Huh?
I gave me turkey when I got here. Now I have to wait for you. Girl, Missy, look, you was good girl, too. Good girl, too. Good girl. See, all you did was good girl.
You know what we are looking for?
Thursday? I have Thursday too?
No, if the really not the bone hard, give them the round small short bone. When it's like good girl. Good girl, you eat it din no eat it din. Hindi. Bunsi. Dada. Bunsi, shititi. Good girl mo na. What?
Treats to go bad, you leave the bag open like that.
You can open it to the
Yes,
closet, hon. Close it.
I find them open most of the time. Not all the time, most of the time. We got all bag of dog food so we can throw them out before we get rotten.
Konti na, malapit na siyang luto guys. 3 na lang. And then, lutuin natin itong bell pepper. I-grill lang natin ito siya. And then, yan. Yun lang. And, yung gulay, and then salad. I don't know. Ito yung dinner namin guys. Pepper na inako. Red bell pepper. And salad and chicken. So, ito yan siya. And, meron pang ano dito. Hold on guys ah. Tignan nyo guys. Hello. Hi babag. Stop. Quiet, quiet. Quiet. Quiet, huh? You make these cats crazy. Quiet. Look at Hubs. Misty Roxy. It's okay, Bug. It's okay. Your sisters are idiot. Okay? Do you know that boy? Look at this.
To the package, it goes in your mouth. Chew it too long, and it will go south.
Namintana pang buang. Get out over there. Roxy, get out.
Take it out of the package, it goes in your mouth, chew it too long, and it'll go south. Go.
No, 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 no.
That wasn't too hard. Put your answer onto this card. Oh, the Pope has one, but doesn't use it. Madonna doesn't have one.
Okay, guys. Dito ako, guys, higa sa ano, sa atubang ng ano, atubang ng fireplace. Kasi, yun po yung pakiramdam ko. Parang meron ako ata. Darating si ano. Alam niyo na. Tingnan niyo tong isa. Night, baby boy. Night, Han. Night, guys. We're going to end this vlog. Pahinga lang ako, guys, kasi parang iba yung pakiramdam ko ngayon. As in, iba talaga. Tingnan niyo si Misty. Busy yung ama nila.
Thousands of families have gone through the same difficulty.
You're on Medicare. This is important information. I called Medicare and looked up my coverage. And there's one simple
Why you do that, Miss?
plan.
Why? I'm doing that and then you just like look, you wanna be part of it. I'm focusing Dada and you wanna be part of it. What is that? That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Call 1-800-292-5875. That's 1-800-292-5875
Hi, baby.
now.
I love you. Hello, Miss. Hello. Hello, Miss. Hello. Roxy, no. Hello, Misty. Okay, look at her. Look at her, guys. Look. I cannot even stop this vlog. Misty's annoying. Anyway, guys, good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night.